Kia ora koutou, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt, and today we're just doing a very short follow-up on what we talked about with time. Hea ha te wā, what's the time? One of the ways of asking that. And just remembering that quarter past is hau whā mai I te, and quarter to is hau whā ki te, and half past is haurua mai I te. So if you want to ask when something is, we'll just use the example of morning tea. When is morning tea? Here. So here, sometimes you'll see that written as one word, means when. Here. Here, te paramanua. Paramanua is morning tea, and it's also afternoon tea. Here, te paramanua. When is morning tea, let's say? And so the answer will start with te. So let's say that morning tea is at 10:30. So let's have a think about that. So it's going to be half past something, isn't it? 10:30. So it's going to be haurua mai I te, and then 10 is tekau, and the clock, karaka. So the answer will be te haurua mai I te tekau karaka. And you could put at the end of that te paramanua. Te haurua mai I te tekau karaka te paramanua, if you wanted to, but you don't have to. Let's say it's afternoon tea. Here te paramanua. Let's say the afternoon tea is at 1:45. Okay. Here te paramanua. When is afternoon tea? Hau whā ki te is 1:45, and we're talking about 1:45. Hau whā ki te rua karaka. So we would say te hau whā ki te rua karaka. So there's another little thing that you could perhaps add to your daily kete of when is morning tea and when is afternoon tea, to practice your times and to practice using those in a sentence. Love to hear from you if you have any feedback or any questions or any suggestions. Ka kite, and thank you very much again.